First point of budget set, that is combination A. In that combination, consumer is spending his whole income over the consumption of Y, and he is purchasing 10 units of Y and 0 units of X. 0 units of X and 10 units of Y. First point will be on Y axis. Second combination, this combination is A. Second combination, combination B. At that combination, consumer is purchasing 8 units of Y and 1 unit of X. 8 of Y and 1 unit of X. Then 2 of X and 6 of Y, and like that. We will plot all those points from the budget set just like this. Okay. Just like the first and second point, I have plotted all these points to draw the budget line or price line. The first combination, that is combination A, and at that combination 0 consumption of X and 10 units, consumption of 10 units for Y. Combination B, 8 units of Y and 1 unit of X. 1 unit of X and 8 units of Y. At combination C, 2 units of X and 6 units of Y. At combination D, 3 units of X and 4 units of Y. At combination E, 4 units of X and 2 units of Y. And at the last combination, consumer is purchasing all the units for X and 0 consumption of Y. This is our graphical presentation for the budget set. Okay. And this is the budget equation for all those combinations. This is the budget equation. First equation, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 10. Second, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 8. Here 2 rupees is mentioned as price of X, 2 rupees per unit. And in this section, 1 rupees per unit is given the price of Y. And the consumer is increasing 1 by 1 consumption of X, and as he spends his income, a part of income over X, so he has to reduce the consumption of Y. Okay, this is called budget set and budget equation, and this is the graphical presentation of budget line. Okay, budget line is a line which is showing different possible combination of good 1, good X and good Y, which a consumer can buy or he can purchase when his income or his budget is given and the prices for both the commodities is also given. Anywhere on the budget line, a consumer is spending his entire income either on good X or on good Y, or he can purchase both good X and good Y. Okay, this is called budget line. Next is about assumptions. What type of assumption we have to assume while explaining budget line and budget set. First assumption is regarding the income, that income is given and remains constant. Second is prices for both the commodities, that is also given and also remains same. Third assumption is very important, that is consumer will spend his whole income, his entire income over the consumption. Okay, this is, here I am showing the budget line, and in this graph all those combination which are lying on the budget line, or under this line that is covered in the shaded area, all that combinations can be purchased by the consumer, and these combinations are called attainable combination. But if any combination is lying beyond that budget line, that if any combination is lying beyond the budget line, that type of combination are called non-attainable combination. Okay. What are non-attainable combination? Non-attainable combinations are those combination which a consumer can't purchase in his given income. And attainable combinations are all those combinations which a consumer can purchase. Okay. Here in this graph we are taking two goods, good Y and good X, and this budget line is showing all those combination of good X or good Y or both good X and Y which a consumer can purchase with his given income, and when the prices for both commodities are also given. Slope of budget line. What is the slope of budget line or any curve? Okay, here the budget line's slope can be determined with the help of this equation. Slope for this curve, or it is in a triangular form. So the slope of a triangle is OB divided by OL. Budget line is naming by BL. Here L point is there. This is BL. Okay. So the slope can be determined by OB divided by OL, and OB is equal to income divided by price of Y. How can we mark the first point for B? This is all those combination which a consumer can purchase with his income. Okay. And when the prices for commodity Y and commodity X are given, we assumed that income is rupees 10 and the price for the Y commodity is rupees 1. In that condition, in rupees 10, how much quantity he can purchase? That is 10 units. This is equal to 10 units. Okay. So by which we can get this point, and how can we get this point? This point can be obtained by 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, it means income of consumer and price of the commodity X. 10 divided by 2, that is 5 units. If consumer spend his whole income or whole the money which he is having, if he spend entire income on X, then maximum how much quantity he can purchase? That is unit 5. Okay. By this way we can get point L, and the slope of budget line is equals to OB divided by OL. OB is equals to income divided by price of Y, and OS is equal to income divided by price of X. So this is the slope of budget line. The next and very important topic of this unit is consumer equilibrium. Okay. There are few conditions for the equilibrium of a consumer. First condition for the equilibrium, that is indifference curve should be convex to the origin. Okay, convex to the origin. Second assumption or second condition, not assumption, second condition is indifference curve should be tangent to budget line. IC should be tangent to budget line. And third condition is slope of indifference curve should be equals to slope of budget line. Indifference curve's slope is MRS, marginal rate of substitution, and slope of budget line is I divided by PY whole divided by I upon PX.